So we will solve some more problems. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on a diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. Prove that triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. You see triangle APD this is triangle APB, this is triangle CQB. So this is a parallelogram. So already given what is it? DP is equal to BQ. DP is equal to BQ is given and is given. AD is equal to ADY. So AD is equal to BCY. Opposite sides of parallelogram. And next one, what about this angle CQB? This angle and this angle, these two are equal. That means angle CBQ is equal to angle AP. Alternate in because parallelogram, alternate interior angle. Therefore, by which rule? By side angle side SAS congruence rule, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. So if APD congruent to CQB, what we can say? AP is equal to CQ. What is the reason? CPCT. AQ is equal to AP is equal to CQ. What is AP? AP is this. This is AP is this. This is CQ. AP is equal to CQ is here. Now what is next step? What do you have to show next? Next is triangle AQB congruent to CPD. How to show AQB congruent to CPD? Same process. AQB congruent to CPD means AQB. Here also BQ. BPD or DPD is given. Next, AB is equal to CD. What is the reason? Opposite sides of parallelogram. Pinne. This angle and this angle are equal. That means angle ABQ is equal to angle CDP. Reason alternate interior angle. Therefore, by which rule? By SAS congruence rule. SAS congruence rule. Triangle. Which triangle? AQB is congruent to CPD. Triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD. Then what you can say? AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. Now you see in the quadrilateral, APCQ, AP is equal to CQ, AQ is equal to opposite sides are equal. We can say since opposite sides are equal in a quadrilateral, APCQ is a parallelogram. APCQ is a parallelogram. So this is the step. So in the quadrilateral APCQ, AP is equal to CQ. Therefore, AQ is equal. Since opposite sides are equal, then we can say that it is a parallelogram. What is this question? ABCD is a parallelogram. AP and CQ are perpendicular from vertices A and C on diagonal BD. Show that triangle APB congruent to CQD. APB congruent to CQD. AP is equal to CQ. So how to show? So first of all, you have to say that these two, triangle APD, triangle CQB. APD and CQB, you can say that AD is equal to BC. Why? AD is equal to BC. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. What about these two angles? These two angles are equal. Angle ADP is equal to angle CBQ. Reason is alternate interior angle. Next, angle APD is equal to angle CQB is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, by which rule? By AAS. By AAS, what you can say? Triangle APD congruent to CQB. Triangle CQB. If APD congruent to CQB, what you can say? AP is equal to CQ. Reason is CPCT. Now, in triangle APB and CQD. In triangle APB, triangle CQD, APB, CQD, you can say AB is equal to CD. Reason is opposite sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Next, AP is equal to AP. Why? AP is equal to CQ. What is the reason? Already proved here. AP is equal to CQ. Proved. Now, another angle APQ is equal to angle APQ or APB. APB is equal to angle CQD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by which rule? By RHS congruence rule, triangle APB similar congruent to triangle CQD. If APB and CQD are congruent, then what you can say? AP is equal to CQ. Reason is CPCT. Already we proved here AP is equal to CQ. There no need other. Next question. The next question. Next question is what? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB is equal to DE. AB parallel DE. BC is equal to EF. BC parallel EF. Vertices A, B and C are joined to vertices D, E and F. Respectively. You have to show that quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram. ABED. So you take in quadrilateral ABED. In quadrilateral ABED, what you can say? AB is equal to D and AB parallel D. You know, in a quadrilateral, one pair of sides are opposite sides are equal and parallel, then ABED is a parallelogram. Since one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. What is next? Next is BEFC. In quadrilateral BEFC, what you can say? BC is equal to EF, BC parallel EF. Same property we can apply. And you can say, since one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, what you can say? BEFC is a parallelogram. So since ABED is a parallelogram, what you can say? A is equal to BD. A is equal to BD. A parallel BD. A parallel BD. Next, BFC is a parallelogram, means what you can say? BFC is a ABED is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram means AD is equal to B. So here AD is equal to B. AD is equal to B and AD parallel B. Here you see BFC is a parallelogram means B is equal to FC, B parallel FC. Now, we prove that what AD is equal to B, B is equal to FC. So that means what AD is equal to FC. Similarly, AD parallel B and B parallel FC. Therefore, what we can say? AD parallel FC. So AD is equal to FC, AD parallel FC. If AD is equal to FC and AD parallel FC means what you can say? AD parallel AD is equal to FC or CF and AD parallel CF. Therefore, this AD, therefore, this AD parallel CF and AD is equal to CF. ACFD is a parallelogram. If ACFD is a parallelogram, what you can say? AC is equal to FD by opposite sides of parallelogram. Now, therefore, so this is the fifth answer. Now, in triangle ABC, triangle DEF, what you can say? AB is equal to DE, AB is equal to DE, then AC is equal to DF, that is also given. Now we proved that AC is equal to DF is proved and BC is equal to EF, that is given. Therefore, by SSS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. Here ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel CD and AD is equal to BC. You have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know AB parallel CD. AB parallel CD. You have to show that angle A is equal to angle B. AD is equal to BC. AD and BC are, if you draw a line parallel to AD, then these two sides are equal. So that means you can say angle 5 is equal to what? Angle 6. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then the angle opposite to that sides are equal. So 5 is equal to 6. Okay. Now this ADCE. ADC is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, ADCE. In parallelogram ADCE, you know angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. But 6 is equal to 5. So what you can write? Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Angle 2 is equal to angle 5. But 5 is equal to what? 4. Why? Alternate interior angle. Therefore, what you can say? Angle 2 is equal to what? Angle 4. So angle 2 means C. Therefore, angle D is equal to what? Angle C. Okay. Next step. In parallelogram AECD, you know 1 plus 6 is equal to what? 180. Why? Adjacent angle. 3 plus 5 is equal to 180. What is the reason? Linear pair. So since left hand side are equal, right hand side are also equal. So angle 1 plus 6 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 5. But 5 and 6 are already equal. So 5 and 6 are cancelled. So angle 1 is equal to what? Angle 3. Therefore, angle A is equal to what? Angle B. Okay. Now what is to be proved? A triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. This ABC. ABC. ABC means ABC. ABC and So in ABC and BAD, AB is equal to AB common. AD is equal to BC. Why it is given equal? Angle A is equal to angle B. Therefore, by SAS congruence rule, triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. See, if ABC congruent to BAD, then what you can say? AC is equal to BD because diagonal. So that is the last part. Diagonal AC is equal to BD. Okay, thank you.